going on, ladies and gentlemen? So I wanted to make a little video because I don't ever see anybody giving this man some love for the products he makes. So I want to give a shout out to Renny Doyle. I think it's how you say his name. So I have been testing pretty vigorously, his interior cleaning, his natural dressing, and his brake buster. I just got the carpet cleaner, so I haven't tried that one yet. But I can tell you without a shadow of a doubt that all of his products, if you're a professional detailer or a DIYer, phenomenal. They mix great. The results are amazing. And for a professional detailer, I mean, you can't beat it. If you get the Auto Alley program, Autopia program, it's Auto Alley doesn't care. If you get an Autopia and you sign up for their wholesale program, it's retarded economical for all of this stuff. So this is his interior cleaner, 1 to 3. So I have used this to clean literally everything in here. So plastics, dash. I'm gonna get to the console here in a minute. So I'm just gonna kind of spray it on there, but you can see. So I clean this with it. I mean, just phenomenal results. So what I'm gonna do is, and I'm not cheating because I'm using a steamer, even though y'all guys may think that, oh, the steamer's doing the work. No, the steamer's not really doing the work because I'm not really gonna put it down hard. So I'm actually, this is a cheap steamer. And what I'm gonna do is I'm actually gonna choose the tip here and put the large 4-hair brush on. This works really good for cleaning leather. And I'm actually on the 3 nozzle. Yeah, so you can see there's 3 nozzles. So pretty much the interior cleaner is going to be doing all the work for me. So all I'm going to do is kind of move it around a little bit with this. So I got a little close there. But man, I want to do this video because I have to say, my helper, we started using brake buster because I heard a couple things about it and how great it was. And that's all he wants to use. And that's my wheel guide, so that's pretty much. Now, these things right here, this dye transfer, be very careful because chasing this will actually pull the dye off the seat if you get too crazy. So just tell your customers, hey, look, go after a little bit. If it can't come off, it can't come off. Don't go crazy because you will go through the dye, especially with this cheap leather nowadays. So just want to kind of run it across the steamer. And I promise you there's not an interior cleaner that will take that off. I had personally tried right there with degreaser, which I know you're not supposed to do, but that's what we're using here. So degreaser with interior cleaner, leather cleaner, whatever, maybe that's not enough. So what I'll do, Auto Fiber has this cool little thing called take a ninja scrub brush. So if you use this, come in here, scrub your leather a little bit with it. This is another awesome thing. If you don't have this, get this. Should have bought it like yesterday. So you can actually use this to clean your leather. You flip it on the other side, a little more aggressive cleaner. So I said it don't matter. You can sit here and scrub this all day long because you can see it's not gonna come out. So what I'm gonna do when I get done, I'm just gonna take a rag, like fiber here. I'm just gonna kind of mop it up, get all my chemicals out the way. Now this may not be the best quality video. I've never called myself a video maker. This is just to help other people out if you would like to know. I've been hunting a good interior cleaner for a long time. I've tested a lot of them out. His natural dressing, another awesome product. I've been very happy with it as well. So you can see, it's pretty quick. And that seat is clean. I mean, you can see. I mean, that is a clean leather seat. And I mean, it does that everywhere. It does it on the plastics. It does it. I use it on the door seals. I use it on the panels. I use it on interiors. I mean, a amazing product. I've never seen anybody talk about it. Renny Doyle makes some really, really good products, and I will have to say I'm absolutely impressed and blown away. So I'm gonna continue to use them and just try to kind of keep his. He's kind of got his own little line to where if you know, you can almost just use his products and you'll cover pretty much everything. So I mean, if his products perform this well, it just makes it easy in a shop setting, because I feel as though we can get too complex with the amount of chemicals we buy. And I mean, I say this because it's like the pot calling it black. So as you can see, that's just some of the chemicals that I have. That's not nearly all. I mean, this is 2 rows a gallon. That's 2 rows a gallon, 5 gallon is Tech 582, which there's not too much difference taste like. So this is how Gray's brake buster works. This is 2.5 gallons here, and then this is 2.5 gallons here. So I ordered 5 gallons for this brake buster. This is the exhaust cleaner, so I don't want to test out. But so I'm gonna upload this. Just wanted to share with y'all my thoughts. Like I said, I've tested it out. I wouldn't come on and tell y'all that it's not a good product if I didn't test it. I've used it on at least 35 vehicles so far, and I mean, it's been, I mean, look at that. No streaking, very good work time. It suds up very well for cleaning. So like I said, everything that a professional detailer looks for in a good interior cleaner, he nailed it. So I would highly recommend going with it. That's it. Sign up with Autopia, the wholesale program. You won't regret it. So like I said, just a heads up, and you know, I have a whole bunch of other stuff on my YouTube channel. If y'all want to go subscribe and check out some of the other videos too, y'all are more than welcome to. So y'all have a good night. Rock on. Make these cars clean.